I think listening to both what the experts are saying and what you see on the street every day. People are using mobile increasingly. I do, everybody else does. And I think if you want to stay with the zeitgeist, you've got to address it and take it on board.
Well, we found about 3 years ago that more and more people were coming to our site from a mobile device, and so we took the decision back then to build a responsive website.
We noticed a big increase in revenue when we changed from static website to responsive design, because so many users are coming from mobile devices, and it also affects the revenues.
And we've certainly seen a much better level of engagement for advertisers within that space. Also, the user experience is just so much better because people are able to scroll and navigate and interact with the site much better than they were able to do previously.